Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn about subject English, Unit 3, G, J, K, Q, 3rd standard class, page number 37. This is our learning outcome of lesson. Let's start. Look at the pictures carefully. Then close your book and name the pictures you saw. चित्रे लक्षपूर्वक पहा. नंतर पुस्तक बंद करा आणि तुम्ही पाहिलेल्या चित्रांची नावे सांगा. When you will tell the name of picture, I will write the words on the blackboard in place of the pictures. Let's start. Girl. Very good. Correct. Queen. Very good. Jar. Superb.
Jeep.
Very good. Kitten. Correct. Joker. Very nice. Goat. Very nice.
Kite.
Very good. Gate. Superb. Kettle. Very good. Question. Super. Q. Super. Garlic. Correct.
Key.
Good. Glass. Shabash. And last is jacket. Superb. Very good and very nice. Hey! Now look at the words on the blackboard. Listen carefully and find the words beginning with that sounds. फळ्यावरील शब्द पहा. लक्ष देऊन ऐका आणि त्या ध्वनीने सुरू होणारे शब्द शोधा. ग, ज, क, क्वा. Let's start. Girl, queen, jar, jeep, kitten, joker, goat, kite, gate, kettle. Question Q, garlic, key, glass and jacket. Girl, goat, gate, garlic, glass. These words are beginning with G sound. And queen, question, Q. These words are beginning with Q sound. Jar, jeep, joker, jacket. These words are beginning with Z sound. Kitten, kite, kettle, key. These words are beginning with K sound. Very good. बालमित्रांनो, हे लक्षात ठेवा. आज आपण नेमकं काय शिकलो? जचा उच्चार जीप मधील ज प्रमाणे होतो, जहाज मधील ज प्रमाणे नाही. Do more practice of these words. Today we shall stop here. We will meet tomorrow. Stay at home, study at home. Thank you very much.